What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Scale Router Collective. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Ed Big Daddy Roth mailbox chopper, part of the MPC Trick Trike series. This is number 1 of 6. The second one would be the Taco Trike, which I yet to have or build. But we have built some of the other ones. We have built number 3 in the series, the Tiki Trike. We built number 4 in the series, the Milk Trike. We built number 5 in the series, the Torque Trike. And lastly, we built 6 of 6, the Cobra Chopper. And we built this one pretty much stock, and I did a custom Cobra Chopper. So head on over to the Trick Trike series playlist and check that out. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of the mailbox chopper. So looking at the box art, it looks like the front end and the forks and all that looks like the same as the Tiki Trike and the Milk Trike. Let's go ahead and get the plastic off. Go ahead and eliminate some of that glare. So here we have the mailbox chopper, Ed Big Daddy Roth. Looks like it's at a show on display. Ed Roth mailbox chopper. Got an Ed Roth signature. Packed with special delivery of features. It says we have a deluxe customizing Finkadelic decal sheet, parent parts in outrageous orange, groovy green, and clear. Holland C-cab body, loads of chrome. Nice illustration of the mailbox chopper there. Get a good look at the back. There's our engine, lights, fuel tank, tires. Look at the bottom of the box. Shows you kind of what's in there. So let's go ahead and get in here. So we got our 2-piece body, a seat, 2-piece gas tank, wheel backs, chain and sprocket. Here's our glass pieces. We got first up our outrageous orange, our groovy green, and our clear. So really like that green. Orange also looks really nice. Got our back tires and our front tire. Got our chrome pieces. Before we get to the decals, let's go ahead and take a closer look at these parts without the Pretty much this is the same looking setup as our Milk Trike and our Cobra Chopper and the Tiki Trike. I didn't really notice on the other ones when I did those ones, but this one says Trike 1, but it's all pretty much the same looking motor, and our pipes and all that look the same. Same back wheels. So it's all the same, but some really nice looking chrome. Except for we got a little ding on that piece. Not gonna unbag the tires, I'm just gonna leave those. Not gonna unbag the glass either. We'll go ahead and move on over to unbagging the body parts. So, 2-piece frame, pretty much like all the choppers. Wheel backs, again, chain and sprocket, 1/2 of our body. So we probably are going to have a seam we're going to have to clean up. Really nice looking seat. Here's what it will look like put together. So just got to clean that up before we paint it. Let's go ahead and take a look at these decals now. It's the last thing that's in the box besides the instructions, it looks like. So we got a really big bonus decal, which was really cool of them to throw in. Got some really nice looking pinstripes. Some other decals. He invented express posts, some different mailbox decals. We got like the standard one and then this red outline. This one looks like the box art. There's a little Rat Fink, a buzzard with some cherries, some taillight decals, top hat, Ed Big Daddy Roth mailbox chopper. It says it's for if you want to make your own display card. And we got a optional roof panel, some bumper stickers. The true meaning of express post, we're faster than email, some MPCs, so some really nice looking decals. And like I said, last thing in the box is just the instructions. So these kits go together pretty fast. They're pretty simple to build, a little finicky to get together, but all in all, I haven't had that big of a deal with them. Here we have our engine. Put together the frame. So wheels. Some more assembly. Telling you how to insert the window and put the body together. And then we have pretty much down to the final assembly. And then an illustration. It says, hey kids, there's lots of wild new decals included in Big Daddy's Boss Mailbox Chopper Kit. Check them out and decorate this wild trick trike your way. And don't forget to separate and save the bonus giant size decal of me. Apply to your fridge, lunchbox, or keep it as a cool collectible. Mazuma. So definitely really cool. Look forward to building this. We are going to try to paint it as the mailbox chopper. It will be a challenge, but I think we can do it. So definitely be on the lookout for more updates as we get to building this. Thanks for checking out this kit with me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.